Okay, get this. This is at Shen drone's Mixuku. It's a 5-inch, and I'm 3D printing a part to hold the XT60 connector, right? Well, how I want to do this is I want to solder the XT60 connector right to the PDB, right? And it'll just sit there like this somehow. You get what I'm saying? You think that's a good idea or a bad idea? Well, it's going to be in this cradle, right? So I'm going to slide this XT60 into this 3D bit piece here. It's really tight, but I want it to be tight because then it's going to slide on these posts tight, really tight. I'll take the flight controller off, push it in, and adjust the pins on the XT60 connector to touch the PDB just right so that I can solder them down. See, you can move the pins on the XT60 connector. So let's say that got you better coverage on the solder spots. You could move them a little bit to get you better purchase. But I got these two wires here. I think I'm just going to unsolder them and move them around if they'll reach. I tried to design in a little trough for the wire to go through, but it's so high. That means I got to start cutting down in there in order to get it up there. So I'm going to see if I got enough room to get it around this way, and then test fit this piece to see if it lands on the pins just right. If not, I'm going to have to go up here to the program and I cut the troughs deeper up here, as you can see, but I just don't want to do it. I'll have to do something. I'll have to do something else. We'll see. Until next time.